Okay, at the end of the video I'm going to say the first time I ever ate them, but they got eaten by my mum and me, to be honest. But okay, this is the second day I've had them, so they make me better lively than the last one. So yeah, I'm going to do all the mentions and M&Ms, so I'm going to do like a spin. What I meant to do was okay. They are really nice. Nuts inside. We have 3 types of nuts. What are they? I'm picking up traces of peanut, hazelnut, and almond. And nutty flavours kind of not really with me here, but it's really tasty. The green one, very different, not colour, but yes, they taste good. Okay, nice and lovely and tasty, and they give you a little bit of energy. Nice and lovely and tasty to give you a little bit of energy. Woo! When I'm energized to do. It wasn't, I think it's just because I'm going to have these in the morning one day because I'm going to keep my energy up. Now, I'm going to hand it over to the first time. So, let's go. Such a long time. I've actually never had one of these before, so that not what I was expecting. By the way, I did this and then did some little special effects to make it look like when I spun it, I was like totally there. I'm gonna do that again. Let's go. It might not work, but in practice it did so. Let's see. That didn't work, did it? Oh well. Woo! I'm quite energized. I wonder if I've just had one. I wonder if that energized me. Gives me even more, I meant to say. Bye. Bye. I'll be doing taste test videos on Monday and Thursday.